It's 2023. What are the top 3 things that I could perhaps do in 2023 to, enhance my career?
So get your resume looked over by both a professional editor and a mentor. And second of all, leading into that, find a mentor. So get involved in your local security meetups or an open source project or your B-Sides conference, but go meet people and work to find a mentor. And then finally, pick a niche to study over the year in cybersecurity. So pick something you want to focus on. Maybe it's forensics, maybe it's ICS, maybe it's malware. Pick something and decide to focus on it for a bit, because there's tons of content out there and you need to kind of narrow down your view to a manageable chunk.
You, and please correct me and fill in the details, you do a lot of these resume workshops. You help people get into cyber. Could you tell us about that? And then hopefully you're going to give us a bunch of tips of things that we should and shouldn't do on a resume or in an interview and so forth.
Yeah, so there's about 4 of us in the United States who routinely go around to usually community conferences around the United States and run hiring clinics so they can focus on interviews, resumes, etc., CVs sometimes for the international folks. And usually they involve a clinic where people come in, they bring in their resumes, and then they talk to actual hiring managers, because you can go out and you can hire a good resume editor. And it's something I very much recommend to everybody. You can go out, look in your local area and find somebody who does that for a living. And they probably have a lot of credentials and they're very good at it, but they don't know anything about cybersecurity and how to get a job in cybersecurity. So you need that third set of eyes, which is somebody who actually works in the field, to make sure you have the right content in your resume and that you're framing it correctly for the specific job that you're applying for. So we do that. So we get people who have been hiring people for quite a while in various roles and niches across cybersecurity, and we match them up with candidates. And I myself do a lot of those. And we spend the day trying to help people be better at getting jobs in cybersecurity, because it's a huge gap. A lot of people who are very smart are very bad at interviewing. They need to work on their interview skills, or they're very bad at writing resumes. They're not related skills to doing cybersecurity necessarily.
Now, this is fantastic, because I think it's a problem. I've seen the same with exams. Some people say, I can do the job, but I'm really bad at exams. Or, I'm really good at what I do, but when I go to an interview, I freeze up. Or, I'm really technical, but I don't know how to write a good resume.